Alright, fam, thanks for jumping for another one. Today we review Gage Word of Prayer. With all that's happening around the world right now, we really need some serious prayers. You understand? I don't know exactly if y'all are spiritual or just but really and truly religious or you're tied to any particular religion, but honestly, we need some prayer with what's going on right now. Everybody have this catchphrase thing going on, and I think I need one too. This is what I came up with. Like music is my drug. I love getting high, so let's get high. No. Alright, I'll work on it. But yeah, guys, we'll go ahead and review Gage, Gage's Word of Prayer right now. So we'll see what's going on with it. Alright, Word of Prayer. Let's see what's up here.
Nation dry.
Oh, listen up.
Why? Yeah, hear me. Oh, I'm far out at 11. If you're not busy, listen to prayer I'm sending. More for thank you for all of the blessings since lately that I have been getting. Sometimes I just a word of prayer.
Yo, I love it already. Honestly, you know, the way I was taught to pray was to always say thanks first. That's just it. Always say thanks first. And a lot of times we kind of forget that and go directly into God, please. Yo, that's true. And Gay starts off by saying, you know what? Hey, I just want to thank you for all the blessings I've been getting lately. I understand that a lot of stuff is happening all over the world, but God, thanks. I'm going to teach you how to pray. He's not all bad, He's not all bad. Let me see what's up.
Just a little word of prayer. Why? To make me be a little better, my mates and the kaya. But the devil stay far from me, no judge. Just a word of prayer. Just a little word of prayer.
It's a nice feel. You can't say no. It's a damn nice feel.
But the devil stay far from me, no judge. Sometimes the best you just do it on your own. Cause out in the depths, they coulda want you to jump. But you will never ever make you walk the road alone. Keep the love in your heart because they want to turn the stone.
Yo! You see that? Yo, I love this. I mean, if I remember, Gage started out shaky. Well, it never really shaky still because I was in the club. Dung in. Yo, I loved it. But this song is damn good. I must say sometimes you better just do it alone, Like, you don't need any friends beside you. You don't need anybody at this big crowd behind you. Be your own support. And God will still not let you be alone. So in an event, what? You're okay, me G. You're okay. Because they just want your heart turned to stone and like you don't have no heart. Like, why am I breaking down the song like this? It's a damn good song. I'm loving it. Honestly, I'm loving it.
All of mankind, you pray them. Well, I'm not far enough, I'm not see them. Me no want to steal like them, no want to be them. So
Thank you.
thank God if you know you have one real friend. Sometimes I pray, me no get no reply, but me know if I not be a well, in the night. Every time I pray, me know the devil lose a fight, me not afraid of evil.
Yo, you see it? Some people, they're saying that they don't want to pray because like God don't answer prayers and all that. Yo, stop talking that shit. If it don't happen right now, remember, your time and the Lord's time, God's time, it's different, and sometimes he knows what's best for you. He knows what's best for you, and he not just give you something and let you mash yourself up. That's just it. So, even if it's not in the day, it'll happen in the night. Just go and wait and hold it. Yo, Gage, this bad, this bad.
What me getting me tread alone? Because me know I got alone.
God
Tell the
alone.
devil like I'm not alone. I didn't come and take judge.
Prayer, peace.
Sometimes I just a word of prayer. Just a little word of prayer. Boy.
This bad.
Let me raise a little higher. Tell the devil stay far from me. Not judge, just a word of prayer. Just a little word of
similarity to Father God's video with Jah Guide. You know, the same message too, but the key in peace and anyways, you know, that's just it, you know. Nothing is really original now, but honestly the song is damn good. The song is damn good. This is damn good. I'm loving this. Loving it, loving it, loving it, loving it.
Some people not have faith, them not have patience, and them not know for wait.
Same thing.
Once I got them tell them straight, you live every day until you go in on the grave.
What? Yo! You hear that? You hear that? You hear that? I won't even talk about what man say regarding people not knowing how to wait and all that. But the man said, what has he say? Yeah. Him said people say them only live once. Gage is like, that's stupidness, yo. Stupidness that you talk. You live every day until you go in at the grave. That's so goddamn true. I never think about it like that yet. Every day you wake up. I live, you live. You see me, I know it, but I never really thought about just breaking it down like that. That bad. You don't only live once. You don't only live once, you know. And you make sure say every day you go out there, you live. Chano. Yo.
Everything that must come one time. You know must live from 0 and go 99. You know must get a shock as a throw the line. And now one day the grave back on
Yo, I'm stopping this again. I'm stopping it again. The man said, yo, you're not gonna just live from 0 and go on 99. Who the hell do you think you are, nigga? It happen to everybody. You think that really happened to you just so you're not that fucking... You're not that lucky. Because me not that lucky either. And we know that. You know, get a shark. The second you choose the line, it was like a shark, brother. You know, I'm talking about a little sprat. Because you might catch a little sprat, you see me? You might catch a little doctor swim around or one of them things that... But I'm like, yeah, like, why you want to catch a shark? You just show the line. And the man said like, one shark. The man saying, how you fi catch that? Eh? What go on with you? The man said, like, at the CMD, you get wine when the grip just reach further. Yo, Gage, this is some real shit, man. This is real.
Yeah, hear me? Say them a breed, but them no mean it. Say them have a Bible, but no read it.
What?
Evil people, I make with feelings to them love don't got no meaning.
True.
That's why me
Yo, this bad. This is bad. This is bad.
And tell the devil I am not alone. You could have never take judge a show. Sometimes I just a word of prayer. Just a little word of prayer. Why? For me, me be a little bit of me make something like I make the devil stay far from me. Not judge, just a word of prayer. Just a little word of prayer. Why? For me be a little bit.
Yo, this is one of the first music videos may I react to on review and Jesus Christ, my face looks like I think. But at the first one I may have pre just the words, I have pre the video to that. Yo, this bad. Yo, I love this. I love it. Yo, the message, Shell, Gage, me think you find it, brother. You find it. You don't find it in that with but the one you're bad too. The one you're bad, me G. Maybe relax, you know. Relax, you know. Relax and give some energy, your brother. Thank you, Lord. Well, I'll be honest though. If that was me, I don't think we have to thank you, Lord. I'd be more like, pop. But after that, we have to say, Jesus Christ, thank you. But you know, my first reaction is not turn around and be like, But we get the concept. This bad. We love this. I love it.
Because me know I got along. I tell the devil I am not alone. And then nobody not fit take judge a show. When me say I just a word of prayer, just a little word of prayer. Why? Word of prayer, just a little word. When me say one more time, word of prayer, just a little word.
Yo, this bad enough. I'm vibing to this. Yo, yo, peeps. That was Gage Word of Prayer. It's Shell. I loved it. Yo, just just follow him, please. Just follow him musical journey. I think he did one mistake the other day, and that is crazy as well. Him bad, him bad. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. You know, thanks for the love so far. Follow me on IG, please. May I try update it more often, and that's just it. Outside.